Naligo ni Tuyo yung nakakutong. May daspan pa yun ba? Naligo ang Tuyo yung basa pa ang cooler niyan. Nahawakan mo ba yung ribs na?
Wala naman piman ni.
Wala na, o nga no, wala na o. Tumaba na si Tuyo yung nakumain ng tubig ng kanal. Yan, listi kasi ni Tigri kaya pinaliguan si Tuyo. Ay, apo palang sakmat ni Nata. Kargaan pa lang eh. Nalagyan pa ng lens ng camera. Tapos na, gabi. Paaraw ka muna pero walang araw. Narinig ko sunod na si ano. Sunod na si Kubi. Naliligo ang ating mga alaga kasi nakarisli ang ating Tigri. Mamaya dali dyan ka lang, Win. Mamaya magpaaraw ka muna dyan para matuyo ka kaagad. Yan, tinatawag na si Kubi. Ligo na Kubi. Pumot ni Mutsa. Kumot, bakit mo? Ay, pinandagam nito talila ni Mutsa ko. Tadi ka matuyo. Takkan payag siya. Dan maksud dia. Tawin.
Well, once was drama playing so free. Fate closed in, but I kept the beat. Now I'm here bringing life on screen. Living strong can't knock me off my feet. Together we thrive. No looking back. With my friends beside, I'm on the right track. So here's to the fighters, living the dream. Every setback's just part of the scheme. With friends and pets, I'm never alone. In this life's journey, I've truly grown. Fast talking vlogger sharing my soul. Healing through laughter, that's how I roll. Head in my arms, loyalty in my heart. Through every challenge, I'm playing my part.
Naliguan eh.
Stroke won't define me, I'll rise above. With every stream, I'm spreading the love. So here's to the fighters, living the dream. Every setback's just part of the scheme. With friends and pets, I'm never alone. In this life's journey, I've truly grown. Together we shine, that's how we thrive. In this world, truly I. Eric, his story, he fought through the pain, strummed his guitar, danced in the rain. With every